Hey everybody. Okay, so real quick, just finished that video. I only have enough for one jar up at the top, and I really want to fill the canner. So what I looked for was something else to can, and I found it. I am doing some more water with some onions and pinto beans. So I needed to can pinto beans anyway. So I'm going to put the onions in the pinto beans, put it in the canner, and can it with my carrots and my green beans. So same time, they don't need to go for any longer than 40 minutes. So these are gonna just have onions in them, except that these are gonna be par cooked onions. Normally I put dried onions or an onion powder in it. So I will let you guys know when the canner is done after 40 minutes. And now we're going to have 7 more jars of pinto beans as well. So, you know, this is what you do. If you don't want to do just a half a canner like me, since it takes so long to process and cool down, it really is a lengthy process, but it's so worth it for your family. Being able to provide this for your family, these are things that you're going to use for months to come. It's not just for like the next week. You're not cooking for the next week. So it's really worth it. So my lone little can of green beans right there with the carrots and the other green beans are down below on the second, the first rack. This is on the second rack. So all of these are going to be on the second rack, and they're going to be canned with the onions as soon as they're translucent. And this will have onion water as well. And I do make a lot of refried beans or beans for taco salad. We go through a lot of pinto beans. I do have a lot of pinto beans right now, but this is the last of the pinto beans, and then I don't know if I'm going to be able to find them again. Kind of like rice. I've got about 20 pounds of rice left, and we go through a lot of rice. So we're going to start looking for rice again, just to stock up on. So there you have it. Not sure if I'm going to put some Lipton soup mix in there or not. I may. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. So I just wanted to pop on really quickly and let you know this is what I'm going to do to fill my canner, and I will let you know how everything turns out when the canning process is completed. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in. Lots coming. Thanks again. Have a great Monday. Bye-bye.